Hey guys, it's Taylor here with another video. Now, treadmills are great in that they're perfect for people who want to get a good cardio workout without having to leave the comfort of their own home. Plus, they help you burn a ton of calories in a short amount of time and keep in shape. With that being said, treadmills do have the challenge of being a bit boring to use. I mean, you're just walking or running in place after all, so there's not much variety that you can do for your workout. And there's also concerns about durability and how much noise they make, which can be an issue for people who live in apartments, or if you like to do your cardio early in the morning before everyone else is awake. And so with that in mind, I put together a list of the 3 best treadmills that not only address these factors, but also provide great value for your money. And then, depending on your particular situation, you can see which one might be the best option for you. And as always, you can check pricing for any of these products in the description below, and if I'm able to get any discounts or coupon codes, I'll include those for you as well. So first up is our pick for the best overall treadmill, and that's going to be the Nordic Track Commercial 1750. Now, the reason why we went for this particular treadmill as our best overall pick is that it offers just about everything you could want out of a home treadmill. To start, it has a really large and spacious deck, which is perfect for people who are taller or want to be able to run without feeling constrained. And it also has a nice cushioned surface to help reduce the impact on your joints as you're working out. And to make your cardio workout interesting, this treadmill comes with a 10-inch interactive touchscreen display that streams on-demand workouts right to your treadmill via the integrated iFit app. This lets you choose from a variety of different workout programs and really mix up your routine. As for performance, well, this treadmill is equipped with a powerful 3.75 continuous HP Durex motor, which can reach speeds of up to 12 miles per hour. And despite this, we love that it runs very quietly, so you won't have to worry about waking up your roommates or your neighbors. This is thanks to its self-cooling feature, which helps dissipate heat and keeps the motor running quietly. And in terms of durability, this treadmill has a heavy-duty steel frame that can support users up to 350 pounds, and it also comes with a lifetime warranty on the motor and frame, so you can be sure that it's built to last. Now, if we have to be picky, the only real downside to this treadmill is its large size. Even when folded up, this treadmill can take up a significant amount of floor space, and it's pretty heavy too, at 346 pounds, so it's not something that you can easily move around by yourself too often. But still, that's to be expected from a commercial-grade treadmill of this quality, so that's not necessarily a deal breaker. So all in all, the Nordic Track Commercial 1750 is the best treadmill that we can recommend to most people. If you want a durable, feature-packed treadmill that's built for performance and have the space for it, then this would be the one to get. And next up is our pick for the best small footprint treadmill, and that's going to be the Nordic Track T6.5 SI. Now, Nordic Track has a reputation for making some of the most durable and feature-packed treadmills on the market, and this one is no exception. Despite its smaller size, it still comes with many similar features found on the 1750 treadmill we just talked about. For starters, it comes with the same 10-inch interactive touchscreen display that lets you choose from a variety of different on-demand workout programs. And it's also iFit Coach compatible, so you can get even more personalized workouts and progress tracking. As for performance, this treadmill comes with a smaller but still powerful 2.6 CHP motor that can reach speeds of up to 10 miles per hour. And while it's not quite as powerful as the 1750, it still uses the same self-cooling technology that helps keep the motor running quietly and efficiently. But of course, the highlight of this treadmill is its smaller footprint, which makes it more space efficient. When folded down, this treadmill is just 55 inches long and 20 inches wide, so it can easily fit into tight spaces. And at just 209 pounds, it's also one of the lighter treadmills on the market, which makes it much easier to move around. Now, as for downsides, our biggest gripe with this treadmill is that it doesn't have a very large running surface. So if you're a taller person or you have a longer stride, you may find yourself feeling cramped on this treadmill. But then again, if you're a taller than average person, then you shouldn't really be looking at small treadmills like this one in the first place, so it's not necessarily a deal breaker. Another downside is the slower motor, which limits you to speeds of 10 miles per hour. So if you're a more experienced runner who wants to push yourself with faster speeds, you may want to look elsewhere. But for most people, the 10 miles per hour top speed will be more than enough to give you a good cardio workout. So basically, the Nordic Track T6.5 SI is the best treadmill that we can recommend to people looking for a more space-efficient option. If you're tight on space but still want a quality treadmill with plenty of features, then this would be the one to get. Just be mindful of its limitations and whether it fits your physique and current fitness level. And last but not least is our pick for the best budget treadmill, and that's going to be the Sunny Health and Fitness Folding Incline Treadmill. Now, not everyone has the budget for a high-end treadmill like the Nordic Track 1750, and that's perfectly understandable, but that doesn't mean you have to settle for a subpar machine. There are still plenty of quality treadmills out there that won't break the bank, and this is one of them. Despite its low price tag, this treadmill still comes with plenty of features that will help you get a great workout. For starters, it has a 2.2 CHP motor and can reach speeds of up to 8 miles per hour. And while that's not as fast as some of the other treadmills on our list, it's still more than enough, especially for beginners. Of course, as a budget pick, you can expect to deal with a few downsides. And one of the things we didn't like is that the treadmill is ultimately very basic, especially when you compare it to other treadmills on this list. There's no color display and no support for workout apps of any kind, although you do get a device holder for your phone or tablet so you can at least watch videos or listen to music while you run. Another downside is the weaker motor and limited incline options that make this treadmill unsuitable for more experienced runners. But then again, if you're a beginner or someone who's just starting to get into shape, then this won't be an issue. So overall, the Sunny Health and Fitness Folding Incline Treadmill is the best treadmill that we can recommend to people looking for a quality machine without spending too much money. While it lacks many of the bells and whistles of the more expensive treadmills on this list, it still has all the essentials that a beginner would need for a great cardio workout. So if that sounds like what you're looking for, then this would be the one to get. So that wraps up our list of the best treadmills. I hope you found this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up as I always appreciate that. Also, please feel free to leave a comment, suggestions for future videos, or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you subscribe to the channel, welcome to our Consumer Buddy family. We've got lots more videos coming your way. So until then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video.